welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen. PVK. And I'm Plush2x. Today I'm going to be showing you a product. It's called Mother Butter. I found this product in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Earlier this year when I went to an event that I've never been to before. It's called Freeform Fest. And yeah, I went back in May earlier this year and I found this company. Now it's sort of like a peanut butter or cashew butter in texture-wise. Texture-wise, not flavor-wise, but texture-wise. It's made out of pumpkin seed, sunflower seeds, and some other stuff that I'm going to show you. You can make different stuff out of this stuff here. And let me show you. Okay. Turn the light on. It's really unique. I like the flavor. It's delicious. They got two flavors. They got chocolate and they got the regular flavor. And it also comes in two sizes. It's the bigger size. I bought the bigger size because I didn't know, when I was going to see them again. But they have a smaller size in this. But I bought the big size. So yeah, this is the chocolate one right here. And this is the regular one right here. And let's see. This is real soft. You can leave it over the counter. But if you're going to have it for a long time, I usually keep it in the refrigerator, but I thawed it out for the show. But I did do a sample of, to show you. This one here is the, put it in the light here. It's soft. But if you do put it in the refrigerator, let me warn you, this is what it's like in the refrigerator. Now, the normal one, this one here, the regular original one, is still soft. But the chocolate, it gets a little bit hard, but it's not stiff. But you can also freeze it. But the difference is the chocolate, when you freeze it, is stiff. So you gotta thaw it out. It doesn't take long to thaw out, maybe like 2 hours or so. But this one here, it doesn't really freeze. So it's a little stiff, but it's still soft. You can see it's still soft. But this one here is stiff. But now, like I said, you can do different stuff with this thing here. I explored and decided to make some popsicles. I didn't have no popsicle cups, so I put in these little plastic cups here. Yeah, you mix it up with, you can use any plant-based milk. I use oat milk. It's good with almond milk as well. I tried it with vanilla almond milk, which is also good. So yeah, you can blend this with some oat milk and stir it up, put some agave in there, some sugar, and freeze it. And this is the original, and this is the chocolate one. And I froze it and made little popsicle cups, and this is good. Also, the chocolate, I like it with some cookies too. Like, this is a crispy cookie. I usually like dip it in and makes it like extra chocolatey chocolate chip. And this is the softer ones here. And this is also good with the soft cookie as well. And you can dip it and do all kind of stuff. I also decided to make some smoothies. Let me show you how to make a smoothie with this as well. Like I said, you can use any plant-based milk. I use oat milk. I'm going to give you the measurements. Alright. Okay, let me tell you the measurements first. Okay. You get 1 cup of milk. You get 1 tablespoon of sugar. No, sorry. 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of the Mother Butter, and half a tablespoon of the sugar. Now also, you got to be careful out there. Sugar is not vegan. There's certain white sugar that's not vegan because they're made out of bone charcoal, which is burned animal bones. So yeah, I found out the sugar was not vegan this year. I found this out at actually earlier this year as well. I went to Atlantic City Vegan Food Festival in July, and this lady who was selling tea showed me that there's another sugar that is not bone char, and I never knew that. Yeah, she showed me this one right here, this brand called Zolka. So it's more like a natural cane sugar, and it's good. But the thing is, it is so hard to get the sugar. Like every time I go to the store, they run out. So I decided to find another one too. So this one here is also good. It's called Sugar in the Raw. But the difference between this here and the other one is the crystals are thicker. It's the thicker. That one is less, smaller crystal. It's the thicker crystal. So probably will take longer to blend this one in. All right. So like I said, 1 cup of plant-based milk. I use oat milk. You use 1 tablespoon butter and a 1/2 cup of sugar. And then it goes like this. Doesn't take long at all. Dump that in there. This stuff is good. Oh my God, this is all I got left. All right, 1 tablespoon. Got that in there. Put a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. And you blend away. My blender over here. And now we're gonna see what and it makes about this amount. Cheers! Toast to the vegan world. This is so good. Oh my God. Try it out. All right. Stay tuned for more at Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen. Have a good day. Bye. Mwah.